Claude is now editing my videos end to end. All I have to do is drop in a raw file and it is trimming out the mistakes and the dead space. It's adding motion graphics like you see over here. It's adding dynamic elements like you see over here. It can even add subtitles at the bottom of the screen like you're looking at right here. So even if you've never coded before or you've never edited videos before, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get set up and get outputs that look pretty incredible just like this. All you have to do is use your natural language. It is so insane. Don't want to waste any of you guys' time, so let's just get straight into the video.
The video you have just watched was entirely made by AI. I mean, the script, the video, the voice, even the editing was entirely made by AI. So here's how my workflow used to look like. I will record a video, that raw file, and upload it to CapCut. I trim and edit the video in CapCut, and then I will download the video on my machine and then upload it to DaVinci Resolve to animate and render the video, and then I upload the video to YouTube manually. But now I could use only Claude Code to edit my raw footage, animate them, and even upload them to YouTube if I want. So there are two skills: video use and HyperFrame. These are two skills we are going to have to edit our raw footage and animate them and upload them to YouTube. So uploading to YouTube, that is a different skill, but in this video we are going to focus on trimming and editing and then animating our video. So the two skills are here in my free school community. You will find them in Claude Code resources. Oh, you come to this URL, you will see video use, edit video with coding agent. And then the second skill is HyperFrames. Write HTML, render video, build for agent. Copy these two URLs and then come to your Claude and ask your Claude to clone the skills. There are 17 skills. If I open this same folder here, this is my YouTube OS. If I open this same folder here, you will see all the skills are here, are cloned. So, and then you need this Claude.md file. You will also find this Claude.md file in my free school community. Well, this was the script I gave my Claude to edit that video. I just said in a plain English, I want to use a HyperFrame to edit this video. Here's a caption, here's a script. So I gave it a script of the video and go and edit this video. I can play the video from here. It's open this video in localhost.
It's like you see over here. It's adding dynamic elements like you see over here.
This was the video was played in the beginning of this video. You can view all the frames, the sound effect, the cards. You can see the asset. This was taking a screenshot frame by frame. These are the sound effect, the compositions. You can even view the code if you know how to code. These are just pure HTML. So you take the raw footage and then edit it and the final. So it's going to check these are the screenshot was taken. All of this was made by AI with one shot. So I said in the beginning of this video was entirely made by AI. This is my clone avatar. I cloned this avatar in Heijin, and the script was written by Claude. And I asked Claude to create this video, use the Heijin connectors. If you want to know how to clone your avatar and use Claude to create your videos without you ever have to record, and use HyperFrame to edit your videos without you have to go over this workflow, well, I also have this in my free school community. By joining this free school community, go to Claude Code resource, you will find all the resources here. So yeah, see you there and peace.